Hi, this is Mrs. Akman. I'm reading the book Bear Feels Sick by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman. This is a forest. Do you notice the den? This is where Bear lives. Bear feels sick. Have you ever felt sick? In this story, we're going to learn what happens when you feel sick and how Bear deals with it, and what his friends do. Alone in his cave as the autumn wind blows, Bear feels achy with a stuffed up nose. Autumn is the same thing as the fall. He tosses and he turns, all huddled in a heap. Bear feels tired, but he just can't sleep. He sniffs and he sneezes, he whiffs and he wheezes, and the bear feels sick. Put your thumb up if you've ever felt sick before. His friends gather around. Come out, Bear, and play. Bear shakes his head. I'm too sick today. Mouse mutters, oh my, Bear's head is too hot. Hare says, we will help. Here's a warm, cozy spot. So they put a blanket over him. Bear mumbles and he moans. He grumbles and he groans. And the bear feels sick. So look, all his friends are noticing and they're trying to help him. Mouse squeezes Bear tight. He whispers in his ear, it'll be just fine. Your friends are all here. Badger fetches water. Gopher cooks the broth, while Mole soothes Bear with a cool, wet cloth. See, they're all working together. They cover Bear up and he drinks from a cup, but he still feels sick. Raven says, Caw! Come along, Owl and Wren. Let's go gather herbs to bring back to the den. They coax Bear to sip just a smidgen of tea. You'll feel better soon. You'll feel better soon, says Mouse. Wait and see. Bear shakes and he shivers. He coughs and he quivers, and he still feels sick. See all the herbs they're bringing in? Making him a special drink with the herbs. The friends fuss and fret. The friends cook and care. They keep a close eye on their poor sick bear. They all talk in whispers. They walk on tippy toes. They sing lullabies, and the bear starts to doze. Trying to get him to sleep really helps. If you can sleep, you can get better. They watch Bear for hours. We've done all we could. Then the bear wakes up. And Bear feels good. Look at him. He finally feels good. Bear cries, I'm all better. I'm feeling like new. I'm not hot and achy. It's all thanks to you. Let's celebrate now. Let's go out and play. Let's jump in the leaves. Let's frolic all day. Then Mouse starts to wheeze and Hare starts to sneeze. And the friends feel sick. Bear murmurs, don't worry, and tucks them in bed. He bundles them up and he kisses each head. So now they have what he had. He tells all his friends, you'll soon feel like new. You took care of me, now I'll take care of you. And that's what friends do. They take care of each other. That's all for now. See you next time.